they're gonna stop. Look at them. What is it, Ozzy? Look at them. Toothy. It's usually the opposite.
He's a cute boy. He's such a cute boy. What are you doing, Skippy? Huh? Are you so silly? You're such a silly Skippy. Huh? Ozzy, where's Skippy? What's he doing? What's he doing, Skippy? You scratching his face? Ozzy? You're not going to play with your brother? Ozzy? You're not going to play with Skippy? Huh? You're not going to play with Skippy? Hey, Skippy, Happy, what you doing? Hi, Lily. Hi, Lily. Hi, Lily. Hi, silly Lily. Say hi to the camera. I'm such a pretty girl. I'm such a beautiful cat. He is so pretty. I'm such a pretty Lily. I'm so beautiful, Lily. He's so pretty. Where you going? What you doing? Where you gonna go? Huh? What are you doing, honey? You're my silly Lily. She's my silly Lily. Hi, say hi to the camera. Hi, Lily. Hi, Lily. Let's see, where'd the boys go? Skippy's still playing on the bed. Hi, Skippy.
Fucking cute.
Oh, look who's at the door. Hi, Morris. Time to feed Morris. Okay, honey, be right there.
Where's Ozzy?
Where's Ozzy? Is he in here?
He's being a troublemaker. He wants to eat the cat food.
Oh, there he is. What are you doing?
He's waiting to attack the cat
What do you want in
food.
the sink? You do the dishes?
Wait, he wants to chew this.